students. How are you all? I hope you all are happy, joyful and safe at home. Today I am going to narrate a motivational story. But before that, I will begin with a rhyme so that you can guess which story I am going to tell you today. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? So, can you guess which story I am going to tell you today? Yes, it's a story of 5 fingers. The world is full of arguments, big and small, just to decide who is the biggest and important. So, it happened one day with the 5 fingers in our hand. Together, they started speaking to decide the most important among them. Here we have 5 fingers in our hand. These 5 fingers are just like 5 sisters. First, middle, ring, little and thumb. First finger is also called index, and she felt very happy because she said to point a person or a thing, I am used, so I am the greatest. But the middle finger felt very important because she was the tallest, and she said, all of you stand on by side of me. The 4 of you are shorter than me, so I am the greatest. Now the ring finger proudly jumped by saying, no, I am also very special. She felt very special because she wore pretty rings and most respected one. Then the little one, she felt she was the cutest because she was so small. When we join our hands, it stands in front and others are behind it. So she felt she is the greatest. But now for thumb, no one knew what she felt and no one cared. The other finger sister make fun of the thumb. Ha ha ha. You are fat. You are ugly. Thumb felt very hurt and sad, but she did not stop her work. One day she decided not to do any work. She said, today I am not going to do any work at all. I will just rest. Other finger said, who cares? You don't do anything. You are useless. They went out to play with the ball. The 4 sisters could not catch the ball. They were puzzled. What was wrong? They came in to do homework, but they could not even hold pencil. They were worried that what is happening today? They could not turn a page, could not thread a needle, could not lay the table. They could hardly do anything. Then they thought, all this is happening because thumb is resting. Was she really necessary to help them do all this work? Now they realized thumb also has value in our family. What do you think? Thumb started thinking herself the most important and smartest? No. Hand family is nothing only with thumb. One finger cannot do much all by itself. When in group, they together form a strong and powerful team. So moral of the story is, together we work, together we stand, united we live as a finger in our hand. Remember always, Unity is strength.